Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're back. We are back. What's happening? All right, Bob, hey there, and Kyle. You're welcome. I was just searching for the link. I wasn't sure about the code. That's why I messed it up a little bit there. All right. So right at the market open, I mean, we had some news, obviously, and I managed to scalp back a little bit on the account from London session. Not too much, still need a little bit more to pass this one. But anyway, we're gonna work on it. This is the 1 minute chart. Yeah, this is the account. So let's see how it goes. Look at that. A little bit of a spike higher right before the open. How much time do we have? We still have about 2 minutes to go. Don't forget that we have the 90 level up there. Which is obviously an important level. Why? I'm going to show you why. Because it's like a high, a 1 hour high. So if it wants to go reprice the fair value gaps higher, then we should be taking that out. It didn't manage to make it on Monday. This high was on Thursday last week, so I'm guessing it should go. So we'll see, I guess. Obviously, will be interesting to see, that's for sure. But anyway, let's get back here and see what's going on. How much time do we have? About 1 minute. About 1 minute. All right. 40 seconds. I'm expecting it to go to the 90s, but it can also just, drop down lower and just do some crazy stuff, NQ can do anything. And today is FOMC day, so obviously be careful, everybody. Be extremely careful. Oh yeah, here it comes. Anyway, market is open. Let's see. Is it gonna pop through the 90? I think it almost did. Or did it? I think it did. Yeah, it took the 90. So actually it popped into the 90s. Quite interesting. All right, nothing special. I want to take out some levels down there. Yeah, went up right to the 90s. I don't see anything else here. On the 5 minute, there's a fair value gap at 40. I don't know if it wants to go there or not. I guess it could. And we have news at 10 a.m. Yeah. It should be digging into the 40s. Come on. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. There you go. I'm flat. No orders. But it should be digging into it. I think it did it. No, it didn't. What's the low of this candle? Is 41. Did it go to 41? I think it did. Yeah, it did. All right. All right, so liquidity taken on this 5-minute gap. There is one lower at 27. Hey, online safety. I will go watch the TopStep bluffers for 5 minutes. All right, man. All right. All right. Let's see. Still going lower a bit. 27. It should be at 27, yeah. The next level, which is, yeah, 27.75. I was wondering if it really wants to go down there. Well, it feels like it might want to. $27.75. Yeah, I think it wants to go. Almost made it down there to the 27.75. Let's see if it tries one more time or not. It did. All right. It went down there. So this liquidity has been taken out. What else is there? 30 seconds still. I think it's gonna go sideways. Congo, good morning. What's happening? What is happening? I might have to disconnect and reconnect to Bulenox. I see some issues happening with the delay. I'm going to reconnect. Until then, oh wow, look at this. We're going down. Ho ho. Where is it going? I mean, looking at the big picture now that it has repriced this area, I'd like to see this go up. But if everybody's gonna wait for Powell to speak, then you could see a continuation to the next gap down at 75. Yeah, that can happen. Don't forget news in 24 minutes. Actually, almost 24. So that can shake the market. This is usually the time when you don't really want to be in the trade. Okay, where is that level? 75. Is it really gonna go there? There's a small tiny liquidity gap at 54. Yeah, it goes for it now. Okay, it has been repriced. And now it may continue higher. you know, maybe going for the for those previous highs. I'm not sure. If it does not go there, well then, I'm just watching this. If I take a trade, I'm gonna let you guys know. Maybe for a scalp. Nothing so far. Let's see. I don't know if it wants to move higher or not here, or is this just gonna dump? Feels like, you know, this price action is just absolutely a gamble. Sell-off can continue, maybe. Indecision. Indecision. Now it goes higher. 63. The high is obviously, hold on, 67. Liquidity is at 67, so should be tapping into that small gap up there. I think it did already. Almost. Well, it should. If it can. I would just place a smooth phrase on trade await and leave Quantar until tomorrow. You caught your first victim. Uh-oh. So they're spying on you. What is happening there? What is happening over there? Let's see. Do they want to push this really? It seems like they are. I have nothing on, guys. But yeah. Seems like we're going up there. And there she goes. No entry. It didn't give any special entry at this level, but you know, it's always good to try first to see if there's anything happening. $404 up there. And I couldn't jump in because of the news. Komodo, hey. I could pour water on my extended keyboard. Oh. Won't type a lot. No problem, Komodo. I wish you good trades. Be careful. This environment is obviously dangerous. Now we are in a 4-hour fair value gap finally. I think we could see a rally here. I'm gonna put this yeah, I'm gonna put this here as the new day opening gap. How far is that? The new day opening gap is 476 points away. It's doable for Nasdaq. It's absolutely doable, and to be honest, on the 1 hour, I feel absolutely bullish. If I see the 1 hour now, I feel totally bullish for this. Nothing in the way until the 600s. Nothing. So, careful guys. It's bullish. It's just super bullish. I hope I didn't leave any order there. Okay, nothing. I'm gonna let you guys know if I see something, but the 15-minute candle looks like a giant doji candle. And what else? The 1-minute candle looks interesting. Let me go to the 30-second chart. I might even jump in here. Try to scalp it here. Let's see. Should be taking that. If not, oh, look at this dude. Oh no. Maybe I add one more. I should just add one more, right? Come on, just take that out. Take that level light. I know you want to. Come on, dude. I might just add more to this. All right. Repricing a little bit higher up to that previous gap. Could be repricing a little bit more. Yep. All right, that's it. Just a scalp. Oh, damn. 2 micros. Might want to reprice higher. Damn it. What the hell is going on? I can't add more risk to this. I just can't. Almost took me out. Let's see. If really that's the target on the downside. Look at this. It's just not taking it. It's not taking that low. But it should. It should take that low. What the hell is it doing? I thought it wants to sweep that level. It's just not doing it. What was that? Yeah. That was the range low. And don't worry guys, it's only two micros on evaluation, so I'm not gonna pull my hair. But it's still interesting how it's not going for it. Come on. Still waiting for the drop, man. It's not gonna happen. No, I'm okay with the stop. If it takes me out, I'm getting my hands away. If it stops me out, I'll let it do his job. I'll let the stop loss do his job. I think it will. I think it will. Damn it. Okay, so that's another sign that we're just going higher to that gap. Now it's gonna stop me. And boom. All right. Back to square one. I'm trying to pass this account since London session. All right. Patience, yeah. No worries. This is the same account since London session. I was so close, like almost 2 times with this one to pass it. I did not manage to. If I see a displacement lower, I might jump in again. But we have news, so I'm not gonna do anything. I thought that we have that drop, but anyway. No, I'm not gonna sell. No, absolutely no anger. This account is an evaluation account, so trust me, guys, I am perfectly fine. I will trade some fundeds maybe after the 10 a.m. session. So just wait. No, if it goes to my TP, I'm gonna be absolutely fine. Have to be patient. I absolutely know. Otherwise, if I look the higher time frames again, like 15-minute and higher, we could still be. I mean, it can still be that bullish scenario that I was talking about. Let's look at the 1 hour. So many targets up there, so it can be absolutely just a bullish day, and now it just wants to set up a bear trap. But right now I think everybody's waiting for the news, so I'm gonna do that as well. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys in a trade. Yeah, I think I did well to set my stop loss at that level. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. You're long goal from 24. Oh, from 64. Whoa, that's nice. 24.64. You're sitting in it, man. Nice job. Let's go. Yeah, I was calling it as well during the London session. Like, it should go higher from this level, and it did. I just didn't take the trade. But look at it. If I would have taken the trade, this would have been on since 5 hours. I would be sitting in this trade for 5 hours if I would have taken it. It's going higher, all right. Not doing anything crazy. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Seven money bag, yo. What's happening? I disagree. Will be bull. Yeah, could be. Sorry, I wasn't checking the chat. Look at that. Obviously, I'm gonna wait for the news. So, my magic saying going back to 251. Well, could be. You know, you could see a healthy pullback to 251. So far, just waiting for the news. Trying to update the chart here. Obviously, the level at 312 is interesting. I'm gonna put a line there. If it wants to come down. This is a 30-second chart, by the way. Let's see. Yeah. The 1 hour close. Seems like before the news it wants to spike higher. I do have another account that was brought. Yeah, it's in good profit for today. It's this one, 2000, almost 2300 evaluation. But main goal is to get the other one into profit. I mean, to fund it. Ba-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. Anyway, what kind of news is this, by the way? Pending home sales. Now that's an important news. Pending home sales. Under contract to be sold, but still awaiting the closed transaction, excluding new construction. So that's an important number. Funds rate should be the same as expected, 5.5. Yeah. I think they should be leaving it as it is. I mean, it's the same since quite a while. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 months now. It's the same. I don't know. Let's see if they're gonna cut it. Yeah. All right. 15 seconds until news. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and a 1 and 0. Boom. Okay. So far nothing. Nothing special. It would be nice to see it take out the 12 before it starts to tank. If it will tank at all. Bit of a bearish reaction here on the 5-minute. There is no clean targets. The high is like 20 points away. Feels bullish. Kind of like this, how they're printing. A little bit like bullish, but and there she goes. Above. Or buy limit. Okay. Yeah, alright. It goes higher. I wanted to scalp for a 10 point here, but obviously it went higher. Let's see for levels up here. And from this moment, it can be a bullish rally. Maybe all the way up to the 800s. Who knows? Kind of interesting. Oh, let's see. Oh, fudge. Wrong account. This account is the one I wanted to take. Something. Maybe I will choose a different account. I'm gonna take a trade on maybe this one. Who knows? Anyway. Oh, this one I passed. All right. Took the wrong trade. Getting back to work. All right. I'm staying safe as much as I can. No promises. Stop by. Thank you so much, Dominic. I wasn't checking the stream, the chat. Unpredictable. Yeah, it's very awkward doing line work in trade await. I'm still waiting for a long trigger from my system. Yeah. I think maybe everybody is just, you know, pricing in for the FOMC moment. Who knows? All right, so how many accounts do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 passed, and I still have 3 more. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's more than enough. I have 4 accounts passed. Bulenox, it's too much already. Yeah, I passed it. It's a different account. It was a little bit of a crazy session, but it's a different account. This is the other account because I was YOLOing. So I bought another account. The other one was blown up. And this one passed. Anyway, 1 out of 2. But not the way I wanted it originally. So that account was this one. And it got blown up. It didn't really need it much, but at the open I wanted to YOLO. But this other one, it passed. So anyway, option 1 accounts I usually pass option 1 accounts. You can't pass take profit. With take profit you have to be a little bit careful. Take profit is a great prop firm. Payout policy and everything is great. You can do everything, you know. There is a consistency rule, but basically you can do everything. The only consistency rule is down to evaluation, but you have to be careful with the daily loss limit. All right, so obviously you have to stick with micros, in my opinion, especially on a 50K account. You got to make sure that you stop trading if you're, you know, in a drawdown, like for the day, nearly to the daily loss limit. You don't want to lose the account. That's the only thing. So yeah, so be careful. Otherwise, take profit trader is, I think, one of those prop firms that can, you know, do better than maybe TopStep. Definitely has some good options there. Look at this. It's going bullish, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if this would go to the 600s. I'm going to do some measurement here. What if I enter here and I want to go to the 600s? Maybe 0.2. And maybe I want to risk like 1500, you know. That's 1 mini. You know, I might just do that. All right. No, not this account. This one. How many accounts did I just pass? I don't even know. Hold on, I have to recalculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts passed. All right. Okay, I took a long trade. It's gonna be a swing position for me on which account? On this one. It's gonna be a swing trade. Obviously. I don't know what I did there, but well, anyway. Let's look at this. All right, that's my target, 593, and my stop is going to be, I'm risking the whole account. So I'm risking the whole account with 1 mini for today, but that's a different account. This is a YOLO trade up to the 600s. If it wants to go. So let's change it to a different account. All right. That's just a YOLO trade. I'm doing good with these ones. Surprised. Oh, thank you. So let me just show you guys of what's happening with these accounts. So I have this one which has passed today. Now I have another one that I totally forgot that it has also passed today. So this one is at 3,151. This one is 3,177. I know, yeah, this one is at 3,029, but this has already passed yesterday. There's another one, also 3,034, passed yesterday. And there's this one, $3,089. So I have a few. I just didn't know that I passed this one as well. Anyway, quite a few accounts passed. Hey Jung, how's it going? Well, I don't know. This trade doesn't look that good right now, but you know, I'm in one single position. Currently doesn't look that promising, but we'll see where it goes. If I fail that account, it's alright. I'll be looking for another one. For another trade. I do like the levels down there too at 312. So if it gives me a possible short opportunity, I'm just gonna take it. I don't care if I'm long on the other account. So I'm just gonna take the short. I think this level at 312 is definitely a nice level. So if it starts to drop, I'm just going to, which one was that? Yeah. I am just going to go and take a short. Don't forget, today is the last day for Apex and Bulenox to get those discounted accounts. So the 90% sale ends today and the 80% is also ending today. Don't forget it. All right. Just keeps on going. Slowly, slowly keeps on going. I don't see anything special here at these levels, that's for sure. Hovering all over the place. I would be curious if I mean, let's look to the left. Let's look to the left and check these candles. We have fair value gaps, obviously. So we have one fair value gap here on the hourly chart. It just poked it. So since we don't have news until Powell, when is he gonna speak? At 2 p.m. and 2:30 is gonna be the press conference. So the AM session, well, oh, look at that, pending home sales. Actually, that's a good number. That's a good number, right? So that's bullish. I can imagine that we go for the 500s here. So I would go and aim for the 500s. It's actually very bullish. So I think that trade that I took on the account at I don't even know where. But it should be alright. I took it somewhere in this area. I think I took it at 44 or 42. Let me check it. Yeah, 41. I took it at 41, almost back to break even. I was in a drawdown. So that should be going to a nice profit there. Let's see if it gets there or not. Let's see. I have a very strong feeling that we should be getting above the 500s anyway. So I have a very strong feeling about that. That this should be heading above the 500s. Yeah, look at that. It's going. Already up $500 profit on that account. Let's see how it goes. The target would be 600 for me. Actually, the target is not 600. I think it's 593 or 94, something like that on my end. Hey, FXN Trophy, good day to you too. Greetings, Spy Girl, nice to see you guys. What's happening? What is going on? Today I passed like at least 2 accounts on the way to the third one. I think I should be going for the funded accounts now. But the magic is not the same on the funded accounts. I don't know why. Trust me, personalized guarantee is the 500. 500 is personalized guarantee, guys. You know, I never say this, but 500 is. The only question, is it going to do like repricing first of all before we go there, but like now. But I feel like 500 is a personalized guarantee. Final level for me would be somewhere up at the 600s until Powell starts to speak. But at least the 500. That is something I would like to see. Da-dun, dun, da-dun, da-dun. Is it gonna go or not? Now it might not go. It might want to reprice now. Oh, look at this. Now it wants to come back down. Repriced a little bit there. Not too much, but it did. Not too much. It would be nice to see that 500-ish area to be taken. I don't know. I don't know, the 5-minute looks interesting, but maybe it wants to reprice again. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but now it feels a little bit weak. I want to go down to that 42. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, repricing it. All right. All right, if that's the plan, I'm down for it. If that's the plan, all right, I'll go with it. Feels weak. Maybe goes down to the 15, 415, who knows? Down there. It's weak. Or maybe not. There is some liquidity at the 15. Not so much. So it can just continue grinding higher, but was this just a liquidity sweep? I wonder. Is it want to go for that 500? I think it just might. Or maybe not. We have levels down at 400 and this at 372. If it wants to go down. But it could be dangerous for 400s down maybe. Not sure. There was a small shift on the 30 seconds lower, but right now we are at a support area. So it could be a push all the way up to, well, at least almost to the 80s. If they want to take it there. It's repriced already. So I don't know. In the big picture, it feels like it wants to go for the 600s or even higher. The news were positive, so whatever. Does it have enough to take it to 500 before Powell? I don't know. Feels weird. I don't know what to make of all this price action. New 15-minute and 30-minute candle. Do they want to pop it higher? I mean, the only target could be the 500s, but even if they can push it to the 80s or 90s, I mean, that's a stretch. I would be surprised to see the 80s. I mean, obviously not that surprised, but would be interesting for sure. Wow, look at that. What a move. Quite interesting, to say the least. I wonder if they can push it to the 80s now. I guess they did. Or almost. Dangerous. Dangerous to scalp. Look at that. 80 is done. It's never safe to trade. There's always some dangers lurking around the corner. Wow, what was the high here? What a move. All right. So what are you guys up to? Anybody's in a trade? Anybody's doing anything? Let me know. I'm eager to know what you guys are doing. Feels like it wants to go all the way to the 500s. Yeah, look at that. Paid the Bulenox. Oh. Flat. As working trades. Yeah, I have nothing on as well. Where do we go? Are we gonna pop to the 500s or what? Everybody's so eager to find out. Wow, what a move. What a move. All of a sudden. And there she goes. There she goes. I do have a trade open though. I can show you guys. I have a trade open. Which account is that on? Oh, this is the one. So I do have a trade open. I am currently running in. All right, let me show you. I'm currently running in. So this is the account. 1 mini, guys. 1 mini. Take profit is $593. Currently in $1,000 of profit, almost 1,000, a little bit above 900. So I'm trying to pass this account with one single trade. One single trade. It's, you know, it's either gonna pass the account or, you know, blow it. This only one trade is on. 593 is the final target. I might have to wait for Powell to push this higher. Yeah, so that's the one I have that. I have another one. How many accounts do I have? Oh my god. I have a few. I'm gonna get back to this. Look at that, it's still going. There's a lot of tantrums going on the market. Oh yeah, definitely. You can say that again. A lot. $500 should be taken. Wow, what a drop. What just happened? $902, $943. What is happening? What is this drop? I have to go back to the 30-second to observe this. Let's see. Something real interesting is going on. What is this drop? This was not in the plan. Are we gonna go to the 46? Sorry, 26. No fair value gaps, no nothing. For the low 14.75. Uh-oh. Okay, we might go down. We might go down, everybody. Fair value gap on the 15-minute down, 14.75. I might take a short here. Maybe I should not have. There you go. All right, short taken. TP is gonna be at 17. Obviously, it's not on a funded account, of course. But it should. It should be on a funded account, right? But which one? Number 8, maybe. NQ, MNQ. All right. It was not copy traded, so that's why the difference in price. It doesn't matter. Could be a wrong decision here. Yeah. All right. I was hoping for that drop down the way. Let's go. That's the only place of liquidity here, but if it starts to go back higher, then obviously I don't have anything else. If it's repricing. Okay. I thought that, you know, this gap up here could be a breakaway gap, but it doesn't act like one. So it's still bullish. Yeah, it is. So saw the reaction for clockwork. You're the Swiss knife. Yeah, I saw that. The 490. Yeah, that was crazy. I feel like, you know, if this level is gonna hold, then we will try the 500 once more, but not sure. We have liquidity down there at 14 if it wants to go for it. I'm not sure how big of a liquidity level is that, but you know, the longer I stay in this trade, I feel like this is just building up positions to try once more with the 500. I thought that is gonna, I was just hoping for a pullback. Basically, that's it. So I wasn't expecting a miracle here. Only a pullback. But now I don't know what to expect. If it goes from here, then I want to see that, yeah. So I want to see it go below all the way to the 20s. Let me check the 1 minute. Yeah, so the next 15 seconds would be interesting. If it can't break lower, then obviously, oh, it didn't. It didn't, but it doesn't mean it can't take the stairs, but so that liquidity area is high is 407.25, low is 14.75. So that's the level that I was talking about, and which I'm still watching. Okay. All right. All right, that's it. If it goes up there, I take it. And there you go. All right. All right, I made $200 on a funded account. Yeah. Apex funded account. It's technically a new one. This one. This is a funded account. $200 on an Apex funded account. Yeah. No DCAing. With micros. So I'm done for this account. I'm not touching this account for the rest of the day. I have another funded account with Apex. This one I made $122. I don't know if I'm going to trade this one. This account here is ready for payout, but this one has nothing on it. It has 38 bucks, so I might have to trade this too. But this one was good. Hey, Olisha, or Olisa. How you like to say it, with an S or Ash? S, Olisa, Olisa, right? Olisha or Olisa, anyway. Ash, Olisha, all right. How you doing? Oh, finally I'm having some good trades on funded accounts too. I mean, this level here at the 14.75 is a fair value gap. If I would not have trailed it with my stop loss, I could be still in the short, but I trailed it. Otherwise, it's good. It's cool. Look at that. I told you guys. I told you, everybody. That's what they say, right? That's what others are saying in the stream. I told you. I told you. See? Exactly what I was saying. I told you. Komodo, hey, is Nasdaq better than ES? For me, it's better. Because of the movement. Obviously, you can make just as much profit on ES if you're more patient. But in the London session, it's definitely moving absolutely slower. Look at that. That 1475 is gonna get taken. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Come on. I told ya. All right. I effing told you. That's what they say. All right. Unfortunately, my trading stop was very close. Still made 200 on this funded, so I'm happy. I'm happy about that. All right. I guess my other account is ready to blow up with the 1 mini, right? That's it for the bullish day. Let's check on it. Oh yeah, it's getting closer. Well, it can turn around. It can turn around. Don't forget it, guys. Today is the last day for the Bulenox and the Apex sale. So if you would like to grab some discount accounts, it's a good time to do it. Even to save it for next month. Let's see. Maybe it's going to build up some structure here and go higher. The 500 is still in my interest to take it. Look at that. It's building up. I'll be requesting my first payout with Apex after today. You and me both. Alicia, you and me in the same boat. You and me both are in the same boat. My first ever payout is gonna get requested, which is gonna be... let me show you. This one is gonna be the one. This is gonna be my first ever payout. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna request all the money. Everything from this account. Everything. I'm gonna request the absolute maximum. I don't care. I wanna see it. I wanna see it on my account. So my first ever payout. Yeah. So I'm very excited about this. The account you are getting a payout was the eval end of day or trailing? It was intraday trailing. Intraday, both with Bulenox and both with, of course, Apex. These are intraday trailing, not end of day. I do have a funded account with MyFundedFutures, which is intraday. Oh, sorry, end of day funded account. But this current one right here that I'm requesting is intraday, and the Bulenox that I got paid out as well. You deserve it too, Alicia. You deserve it too, my man, and everybody. You know, we have to get some payouts from these prop firms. You know, that's the goal. We have to get these payouts. The only concern from my end is that I'm 100% sure that I have DCA'd at least once on this account. So I saved the screenshots, I saved the logs, and so I'm prepared if they're gonna ask about it or whatever. But I had a DCA trade. So yeah, we'll see if they have an algo or something that runs the account. I don't know. But that's gonna be interesting. So I'm curious if I'm gonna get denied or approved. Is there a girl here about to get a payout? That's a good question. Ladies, make yourself known. Are there any ladies who are about to get a payout or got payout? Nobody's answering. No ladies about to get a payout. Look at this. It's building up that momentum. Let me check the 30-second chart again. Wow. Feels like it might want to go higher. You know, take that liquidity, maybe. What's the time? Yeah, the kill zone officially ended. But that doesn't mean it cannot go higher, right? Yeah, that was the reprice. Down at 43. Went up there. What's the level? 69. Quite interesting. 69.75. 69.75. 69.75. It should be going higher, right? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe this wasn't it. Maybe it just wants to go for internal range down to 12 again. Nothing. Looks like price action is getting a little bit tired up here at these levels. No idea. Anyway, yeah, that 69 level is pretty close. Actually, very close. A little bit weird. Is it gonna go back to take it, or we're gonna fall from here all the way down to the 412? Seems like it's gonna fall. Feels heavy. I don't trust this. I don't want to jump in. It feels just heavy. The whole way the candles are just printing, I just don't like it. Tom, is there a trailing drawdown on Apex PA? Yes, sorry, Olisha, I wasn't reading the chat. Yes, there is. But it locks in, you know, it's gonna lock in at on the 50k account. It locks in at 2600. 2600. Good morning, Crypto Panda. How you doing? Long time no see. Where have you been? I almost like put out a search warrant for you or something. I hope you're doing okay, man. How's the trades? So, Alicia, yes, the PA account is intraday. But it locks in. So basically it turns into a static account after a while. So it's gonna be all right after that. It should be breaking into that 69.50-ish, or yeah, 70s basically. Did it do it? Almost. Technically it did. So yeah, it's looking for liquidity up there. And it did. Nice. So where do we go from here? I don't know. But hey. So anything about 2600, then yes, exactly, Olisha. If you reach 2600, everything is gonna lock in. Everything is locked in. I mean, it's locked. You can do, if you go up to 60,000, it's still gonna lock in at 50,100. 50,100. I can actually show you this account right here. So look at this. I'm at 2,673, and here you go. Auto liquidation threshold is locked in at 50,100. So basically this one turned into a static account, and the same goes for Bulenox too. So these Bulenox option 1 and Apex are exactly the same. So it locked in. Boom. That's it. Auto liquidate trailing liquidate threshold set to 2,500, but it locked in, so you can do anything above 2,600. I just stopped trading to wait for the payout, and that's it. You're welcome. I've been trading futures in Asia. Oh, and trading stocks in Europe, but I'm done with Asia. Takes too long to lose or win. Oh yeah, I can feel you there, Crypto Panda. 100k past Bulenox. Wow, let me give you a proper applause. Congratulations. 100k is a good job there. That's a great job. 100k. Nice going, man. Good job. 7 money bag, yo. Let's go, let's go. Hope I don't blow. You won't. Just, you know, take it a little bit smaller. I don't know how you trade, obviously, and I don't know what's your strategy, but, you know, tone it down a little bit, because you have all the time in the world, you know. Just take your time. I'm waiting for Apex 90% off to get more accounts. Trust me, if their 90% comes, I'm gonna stack up quite a few accounts from Apex. And you know, guys, which code to use. I hope you know. No, anyway, you can use whoever codes you guys want to. Just make sure don't use the standard Apex code. Give credit to some streamer or your favorite streamer, whatever. Just don't give it to the prop firm. You know. Hey, St. Patrick. Üdvözöllek. Welcome, welcome. Oh, you're... sorry. Hey there. What is going on? What is going on? So, how's everybody doing until we're waiting for some sort of a move? Obviously, we took the liquidity here. What else is there that can be done here? You know, on the 15-minute, look at that. We have a bearish pin bar, boom, and a bullish pin bar. right here. These two. Like, the absolute indecision in the market. So the only level that's left is the 500 maybe to go for. So I'm going to stay bullish until the time being. I'm just going to stay a little bit bullish here. I'd love to do a little quant hour scalping, but impossible to do. There's a lag. Oh, that sucks. That's not good. Reach the threshold today again with fast track trading. Oh, that is awesome. You're fourth since you're trading with them. That is great. That is great. Crypto Panda, I think you're doing absolutely great with them. You had payouts, you know, everything goes well. You are murdering them. This is like a bearish order block up there at 84. Should I jump in for a scalp? I think I just might. All right. Jumping in for a scalp here. TP is going to be at 84. This is a hard stop, obviously. Yeah. So that's the order block. Let's go for it. Is this strategy everyone says it's bad, but I mean it's working for me for now. Though DCA, well, listen, if it makes money or profits for you, that's all that matters. I'm adding to winners. Yeah, you know, adding to winners, I tried that too, and adding to winners is actually a good feeling. I mean, hopefully, I mean, I was adding to winners when the trade was obviously heading absolutely in the right direction, of course, and the momentum was okay, everything was okay, and then I liked that. And the feeling was absolutely good. So when I add to a losing trade, I do have a little bit, my stomach is a little bit like, you know, I don't know, I'm not sure. I do have that kind of feeling. But, you know. Malo Legacy, hey bro, quick question. So with Take Profit Trader, no trading the news. Yeah, that's the main thing, basically. Don't trade the news, and you should be absolutely fine. And of course, almost this, very important, or maybe more important, watch out for the daily loss limit. If you breach your daily loss limit, then you blown the whole account, not just the evaluation, the funded too. So watch out for the daily loss limit, okay? Watch out for that level, because that's a hard breach. But otherwise, yes, don't trade the news on the funded account. That's all you, otherwise you can do everything. You can DCA, you can do whatever. All right. Malo, thank you for joining to the stream, by the way. So you can do whatever you want, man. And Take Profit Trader, the why I like it is because the payout policy is so awesome that you can actually print money every day. If of course there's a work that you have to build up the account, but you know, make sure to ask for a payout above $250. You might know this already, because if you ask for a payout below $250, they're gonna do a $50 penalty. So if you ask for a $200 payout, you're gonna only get $150. There's a penalty fee for the low amount. But if you take anything above 250, there's no fee. I mean, nothing like that. And it's like, I was amazed. Like it was like it took like 3 hours to reach the bank, the payout. 300 sure to get my 350k. There you go. Let's go, Malo. Let's go. Are you paid there? Usually the prop firm which has like sweet rules go bankrupt too soon. Yeah. And Aryub just comes in and ruins the party just like that. I mean, the prop firm industry is changing. You know, just look back. You don't have to. You don't even have to look back too far. Just the past 1 year. You know, I don't know when my forex funds went down exactly, but it was something like a year ago. My forex funds and all those forex prop firms, and now, you know, this, you know, soury taste comes into the futures prop space as well. I don't want to see prop firms go down, right? I don't want to see them go down because they are a perfect vehicle to pull some money out. But anyway, and of course I get my affiliate commissions from them, but that's a secret. Other YouTubers may not tell you, but that's the reality. But I told this to you guys. I could not be able to be here without the affiliate commissions, so I'm very grateful. And that's it. Thank you so much for the support. Let's see. This one's gonna go for the 500. I feel like it wants to go. I feel like this one wants to go. And by the way, instant funded account, with fast track trading. Check out the link somewhere in the chat or below in the description. Really awesome. Use the code FTT_30. To get your 30% discount. And if you would like to support, please click on my link before you purchase an account. That gives some credit to the stream. Thank you. So much. Actually, I cannot have Quantower and TradeAway open at the same time, so I'll use Quantower for charting, then Scalp and TradeAway. That's actually a good strategy. Online safety. That's a good strategy. Very interested in fast track trading. Do they have the buy 5? Yes, it's still on. If you buy the 5 package, you know which link to click on. But yes, they do have it. B5 Go is the code for it. It's still on. So yeah, guys, if you would like to give some support, I'd like to build up some threshold there. Then click on my link in the description below the stream. And you know, before you register or buy the account. Thank you. It's slowly grinding higher to that 500 level, but I have no entry here to go with. NQ617 point plus. Yeah. Could be turning. Could be. Gonna be interesting to see how it goes from here. It's gonna be interesting how it goes. I want to check something here real quick. Sorry, guys. I'll be with you in a second. What is happening on this chart? It's really crazy. 1 minute building fair get looks short, but we'll see. I don't trust the shorts now, especially not like we're approaching the 500. I don't know. I'm not trusting this. We're very close to that 500. So yeah. Feels like that it still wants to go. Could be repricing lower, of course, but I just don't really trust it. Especially at these highs. And this close. Do we have any news? Nothing major, but still, you know. Could be a bullish inversion gap as well. We'll find out. I just feel like this one might want to pop the 500. That's why it's a little bit scary. But if it wants to go lower, obviously we have some levels down there. Some good levels to be taken. Watching it closely, but I don't see anything. It's built up some kind of a resistance here at the 90s. Sorry, at the 80s. So I don't know. Patience is a virtue. Exactly, online safety. But again, I still feel like it wants to pop the 500. I just don't know when. You know. That's the only thing. Anyway. Ugh. Excuse me. Look at that. Up to the 90s. Yeah. There she goes. Almost. I was hoping for that 500 break, that real fast break up there. But anyway. It should break it. It's very close. Let me put this here. The way the candles are printing, look at that. It's almost there. And come on. And there you go. All right. So we have the 500. I told you guys. I told you, personalized guarantee. My account is up $1,200. One trade. Look at this. Positions. I'm up on this evaluation account. How can I show you? This is it. I have one trade open with one mini. And it's a brand new account. I'm thinking if I can pass it in one trade or not. My target is up there in somewhere in the 90s, I think. I just closed it. I think I closed it. Damn it. I accidentally closed my my positions. I think I closed it, man. I did. Oh, darn it. No, I just... Oh, I did close it. Never mind. I'm gonna get in again. Even with a better price. So no problem. No problem. I'm in the trade again. I clicked on twice. If you click twice on the position tab, it takes you out. It seems like. I don't know, man. I have no idea what's going on. I wish I'd know. It shows that I have one position. $593. $593. That should be enough, right? 593.90. I might have to go with 95. Let me check. Let me check the trades. Visual trading positions. No. Yeah. Trades. Marker. Large. And label. Okay, so yeah. So this is what happened. I entered at 44.1. I accidentally closed it at 50.8. Yeah, I lost 2 points with this one. But I'm at the same trade, basically. That's a bummer. Anyway. I have no stop loss on this. I just let it go. Let it do its thing. I don't know even how the balance is looking. At 79, almost at 49. It's not that bad. All right. All right. It's gonna be fine. I'm perfectly okay. I'm still bullish. Nothing is changing. Excuse me. All right. Let's see. What do we have in terms of targets? Might want to go down here to 71. I'm not jumping in there. 71 right there. It actually did go up there. I could just jump in if I wanted to. I don't know if I want to. Do I want to? I don't know. I don't know. It's at 87. Yeah, I take this scalp. Small scalp. If I can take it. Darn it. No stop loss yet. This is a hard stop. Again, finger is on the button. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Just take that level. I want you to take that level at 72. It would be better for everyone. Actually, my stop loss is in the way. I might gonna give it one more shot. Oh, I'm positive on this account anyway, so it's fine. This is a different. This is a MyFundedFutures evaluation. I've hardly placed any trades. My system got me a quick short but pullback, which was profit. It's just a scalp. I'm looking for this area here. Obviously, it seems like this is my last resort to reprice this gap, and it should go down from here. If it's not going down, then I'm just gonna close it with a small loss. So I'm looking at these inversion gaps with a obviously a fair value gap and the swing low down there. But it's only with micros, 5 micro, which is, you know, it would be $100 profit, 100-ish, not exactly, but look at that. Maybe I should have taken an entry here. I mean, adding, DCAing here. I should have DCA'd there. I'm not adding to it. Actually, my finger is on the close button, on the flat button. If it goes crazy, I'm just gonna close it. Should take it out. Come on. Come on. Do this one thing for me. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, there you go. All right. Feels better now. There you go. Obviously, the optimal entry would have been at 93. Oh, 20 points out the window. It was super easy. I just had to focus a little bit. Actually, it was based on the 30-second. I mean, the entry was on the 30-second, but the target was on the 1-minute chart. So next time I should be more careful, obviously. Anyway. What time is it? Powell is going to be speaking in 2 hours and 40 minutes. No, sorry. 2 hours and 18 minutes. Two hours and 18 minutes. I might even want to start the trade await platform. Just to see what's happening, you know. Just to see if everything's lined up. All right. All right. Hard to say where it wants to go now, obviously. Very hard to say. No clear targets. This one actually a bullish breaker here on the 1 minute. Don't really trust it, to be honest. Yeah, it's not going. It actually wants to take the lows. Or maybe not. Or maybe it is. Let's see. Feels like it might want to go higher here. Repriced a little bit there. Everything feels bullish still, so it might go up again. Who knows? Yeah, I feel like it's indecisive right now. Could be ranging. Keys dried up seems to be working. That is the highest time frame you trade. Well, hold on a second, Komodo. I'm just watching here something. I'm making you nervous. All right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to check here something. I'll be right, baby Jew. I'm looking for if might be there are gonna be some sort of a possible entry for a scalp. I'm still not certain yet. Not sure about what's happening here, but I feel like we could see a possible bullish move here. Feels like building up some momentum. I don't know. What is the highest time frame? The highest time frame usually I take a trade on is on the 15-minute, but it's very rare. Yeah, sitting on the hands. I'm watching some time frames to figure out which way it might want to, you know, go. It might going to take a dip here, or maybe just wants to go higher than the 500 to make sure that it goes higher. Hard to say. Sometimes feel bullish, sometimes feels bearish. It narrowed down pretty much into this point, and it's just hard to determine where it wants to go. I guess a lot of shorts are in order to break it down, maybe even down to the 412-ish area. But I don't know. Maybe that's the goal. Not sure. Depends on if it wants to drop down. I see some levels like this one, the 55. And what else? I don't know if it really wants to go down to the 12. That was nice again. Oh, thank you so much, Patrick. Thank you. Have a good day, and thanks for dropping by. It was my pleasure to see you here. I'm still trying to determine some levels here, but I don't know. Repriced a little bit on the 1 minute. Don't know what that means. Markets can go sideways from here or whatever. Just keep on pumping. Maybe everybody's waiting for a possible dump. Hey Lorenzo, bless up. You too. Ashev's good to see you. Well, the session was good. Made profit on the funded accounts, and now I'm just watching if there would be some. I also passed 2 accounts, 2 new evaluations, so that was good. I'm just trying to look for some opportunities here, maybe to scalp a little bit. Not sure what to do. But yeah. Trying to determine the direction here. Sometimes it feels like it's gonna fall. Sometimes it feels like it wants to go up. Hard to say. But yeah, nice. How was your trading so far? Hope you made some good profits. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum. I would do 100 years when I start withdrawing. My strategy also works on 30 seconds. Wow, better risk reward. Nice. Don't have to donate, but hey, that's awesome. I'm very glad for you, Komodo. I'm very glad. You're flat on the day, Lorenzo. You know, being flat is the best position to guarantee the capital. You know, you're done for the day. Yeah, you caught the late London pop-up. Oh, nice, nice. So I thought you guys want to trade the FOMC, you know. Still time until then, but let's see what's happening here. Feels like it could be bullish as well. It could be breaking higher, right? Or whatever. It's like built up some sort of support here, and the only thing that's holding it is this wick at 50 for whatever. What's the low of that? I don't even know. The low is 55.50. So that's what's holding it. Let's see if it wants to take that out or not. Might want to. It did, right? Oh, it did. Interesting. Like a little profit from 484, close 9 minis. Oh, left one runner. Online safety. You are playing hardball with 9 minis. That's a lot. That is a lot, man. Congratulations. That's a good job. I'm still waiting here. I mean, I had some good trades so far, so I'm not complaining. Some goody profits. Let's see if it wants to run up or not. What levels do we have? Obviously we have some highs here. No more trades on Quantaro. I have another 3 days to pass the test. Let's go. Let's go. Go for it. I wonder how far can it go. If it wants to take out those highs up there. Or is just going to continue dropping from here. Obviously there was a shift. Yeah, the way these candles are printing, don't like it. Gives me the creeps that it wants to go lower. And I don't know if I should jump into low to target the 412 down there. Maybe I should. I mean, on the 30-second, there was a shift. That's obvious. Your bill on MyFundedFutures account took 2 wins, but I felt invisible and blue. Oh, Komodo, that sucks, man. Well, you know, it happens to the best of the best as well. Parminder, hey there. Oh, nothing. I'm just watching some levels. Komodo, I'm real sorry to hear that, man. Oh, man. I don't know what to say. I mean, at least, I mean, you know, it teaches us a lesson for a perfect select and YOLO. Tired up risk management. Oh, well, just be careful, you know, whatever you do there, just be careful. Don't try to YOLO too much. But yeah, it's I feel you there. I wonder if this one can go all the way down to the 12. Yeah, or to the 20. I don't know. Feel like it could. That would be a nice target down, but I'm not sure if I want to jump into that short. Hey Donovan, everything's fine. Made some good profits on funded accounts, and now I'm just, you know, waiting. Nothing else. Only on evals. Yes, Komodo, so be careful. So now I'm waiting. Overall, technically green. I have one eval that basically a YOLO eval with 1 mini. I'm still waiting for that. But otherwise, profits on the fundeds. So, yeah. How's your day? Hope you made some good profits. Hope you made it. I'm actually watching price action to see if it wants to maybe go down to the 420 or maybe lower. I'm not sure. Maybe 427. Looking for some levels here. 427. What is this level? Yeah, that's 27. But I'm not sure. Remember, shoot me a like and subscribe. Oh yeah. I have to. I have to. Let's see. I subscribed. So I'm there. New subscriber. Wow, nice bike videos there. Whoa. Dude. These are awesome videos. Oh man, I'm just waiting. I don't know what price wants to do at these levels. Sometimes it's frustrating just to wait and see, but maybe the whole market's just waiting for Powell. And how much time is still? 1 hour and 50 minutes. Could be some targets along the way, but nothing special, I imagine. So this is the waiting game. You are the main man. No problem, Donovan. All those jumps that you see jumping. Oh, you built it with your own hand. Wow. With that could be it. That was a hard job to do. That could have been a real hard job to do, man. Oh man. But I do like it. It's dangerous though. It seems dangerous. At least to me. What is ES doing? Nothing. All right. ES is not doing anything. NQ spiking higher a little bit. No clear direction yet, but it might gonna go again bullish before taking some lows. Who knows? Interesting. I don't have any entry. It's unreadable. Whatever it wants to do, I just can't read this. You've been riding now for 2 years. Whoa. That's awesome, man. You're a pro. You're an absolute pro. Well, I have no idea which direction to take. I think it's gonna stay like this until Powell. So I don't expect anything. I was waiting for some kind of displacement. I I see some targets both to the upside and to the downside. It's just hard to say. Let's get up. Well, you know, if you feel better, that's all that matters. You know. Yeah, it goes up. It goes slowly up. All right, guys, I don't see anything else I'd like to trade here, so I'm just gonna call it a day here. I made some good profits. I'm very happy. Green on the funded. I don't even know how much, but at least 400 or 500. Let me see. One funded account is up $220. The other one is up, well, 110. Still good. 110 bucks. And what else do I have? I have a third one is up $60. Where's the fourth one? Oh yeah, I didn't trade that. And I passed 2 more evaluations, so I'm okay with that. All over a good day. So I'm gonna call it here. Be careful with the FOMC and watch out for the press conference. That's gonna be the real kicker. All right. Stay tuned. We're gonna do some giveaways, most likely on tomorrow on Friday. Spilled your beer. Bad day indeed. All right. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching. See you guys tomorrow in London. And if you would like to support the channel, please use my links and codes. tomsabo works everywhere. So go check it out. The sale ends today at Bulenox and Apex, so don't sleep on it. All right. All right. Love you guys. Take care. See you in London. It was a good day. Be careful with FOMC. Cheers, everyone.